Ruto took Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed on an inspection tour of the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company Ketrako Converter Suswa substation in Narok County during his state visit. The substation facilitates cross-border transfer of power between Kenya and Ethiopia, where power from different sources converge, making it the biggest switchyard in the region. According to Ketrako, the principal objectives of this project are to contribute to the integration of electricity markets of the East African power pool. The project, which has been undertaken by Kenya Electricity Transmission Company Ketrako and Ethiopia Electric Power Company, was financed by different agencies through grants and loans, among them World Bank and the African Development Bank.
Because of losses, out of the 200%, 2.5%.
It goes off.
So when they do it switches off.
Oh. That's
Three police officers and a businessman